Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where I can find your videos on content warning. So let me just record something real quick here. I'm just going to record this because I really don't want to die in this game. So I'm just going to do that first and I'll just go back because this is just an example. I'm just going to go back. Oh, my stamina is going down. Just close the door here and go back. Did I press E? Okay. Let's just open the door here. And then we're going to, I actually don't know how this goes because I never do it. Do I like put it in? Throw. Up. Okay, that's how it works. Let's get this CD and let's go back into the house. Go here and press E. And to basically download it, you'll need to finish watching. There's not going to be a lot of views on this one, of course, because it's just me recording like that. Save video to desktop, and it's going to be saved into your desktop file. So if you go to desktop here, you'll see the video. Here it is. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.